Dude,
Bro,
you know what's super sick?
what?
This movie I was checking out last night.
Oh yeah? What was it called?
Sickest movie ever made. The Fast and the Furious 2.
Too Fast, Too Furious?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Hey,
What?
you want to know how to make it even sicker?
What?
It's gonna be hella sick.
What is it?
Are you ready for it?
I've been waiting.
Oh man, here we go on this next episode of Good Tech Cheap.
What up, homies? Welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host, Adron.
Yo,
He's Kevin.
hey, if you guys want to be super righteous and totally down, there's something you could do for us right now.
You could like, if you can, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified when we drop a new video.
You know, that notification bell is like the coolest notification bell.
So today we are talking about the LightMe Neo HDMI sync box.
Oh, that's right, the LightMe Neo. This is gonna make your sick movies even sicker.
Heck yeah.
Alright, so hey, what we're talking about here are programmable intuitive light strips for your flat screen TV that will actually accentuate a light show.
Yes.
So you're gonna watch your stuff, your movies, you're gonna play your games, and then you're gonna have this light show that's actually connected to the action that's on the screen.
That's a pretty complicated process, but I'm into it.
All we gotta do is plug stuff in, dude.
Oh, okay. That sounds good.
But let's tell you a little bit more about how cool this is.
Yes, sir.
The sync box.
Oh,
We're
yeah.
gonna talk about the sync box now.
This sync box comes with an LED TV backlight. It is a 26.2 FT LED strip light for 91 to 120 inch TVs. As
Bigger than this.
yeah, it's pretty big. This baby is great for PC gaming, work, Alexa, Google Assistant. It has app control. It has light and music sync with DIY and scene modes.
That's pretty cool, you know? This will work with Apple, this will work with Amazon, it will work with your Fire Stick, it'll work with your PlayStation. It's compatible to the max.
To the max. Speaking of max, this baby can just plug in and play up to 4K 30 hertz programming.
Whoa,
Whoa.
whoa, whoa!
A stunning TV lighting experience.
Oh, that's right, the LightMe Neo box. Say that with me one more time. The
LightMe Neo box.
This just sounds cool,
Amazing.
because it is cool.
Heck yeah.
It'll sync, like I said, it'll sync to whatever you have going on your screen and provide you with your own custom at-home light show.
Love it. This also has ultimate control using the app or voice commands through Alexa, Google Assistant, via SmartThing app. Change any mode or adjust any settings such as brightness, effects, colors, whatever you need. The app can control it, or Alexa or Google Assistant. It's compatible with a lot of stuff is what I'm trying to say.
That's right. Essentially, you get to control your own light show.
Ooh, very nice. This baby also has very easy installation. The LightMe Neo sync box is easy to set up and use. Neo connects seamlessly to other devices via HDMI port or extends to small lights via Wi-Fi using the dedicated app, of course.
Essentially, what you can do if you want to make your pad, your place, your home super sick, rad, tubular, and awesome, you can connect any smart lights by Wi-Fi to this app, and your light show is just gonna grow.
Like a tree.
Or like a light show.
That too. Light show of trees!
You know what? We should show them how it works.
Oh yes, we should.
Hey, look, it's a TV.
Hey, look, it's me.
What you got?
All right, we got the setup for the LED light. Basically, we're going to attach each of these to each corner of the TV. We're going to get this cable to run through it, and this cable is actually attached to the LED strips.
Hey, look, there they are.
There they are, indeed. Yes.
Technology.
Technology, indeed. So, we're basically gonna run these through, connect it to the box, and then we're gonna have our light show. You ready?
All right, let's do it.
Woo!
We'll see you guys in a second. Dude,
we set it up. It's super cool. But before we get into it, let me show you this app real quick. So this is the LightMe app, as you can see. Yeah, very nice, isn't it? Yeah, so this app just lets me change the settings, add new devices. Super cool, super simple. As you can see through the screen capture, I can put it on different modes. I have it on stars right now. I can put it on, don't look at me, look at the lights. Bro, come on.
oh man, those lights are cool.
I got it on ball, because I'm always balling. Got it on rainbow. Got it on fire.
I can see the light. It's beautiful.
Now you can see the drip.
Whoa, yeah, look at that.
But let's put that away for right now. Just shut it off. And I'm gonna let this go on regularly, and we're gonna watch ourselves a movie real quick. Shall we?
Dude, movies are like so cool.
All right, we got it hooked up and everything to the TV, and let's just let this baby play, shall we?
Word.
1, 2, let's go.
As the laps wind out, David Murray's the race leader. Cal Naughton in second, Ricky Bobby in third.
What's up, Cal? You ready for a little second package? Hey, buddy!
Ron Jr. is letting Ricky Bobby draft up to him to make that slingshot move and pass McFarland. Oh, boogity, boogity. Can you...
Heck yeah, NASCAR! And it worked.
Yeah, man. Whoa.
Whoa!
And we're back, and you can tell we're even cooler now,
Heck yeah.
because now we have a sweet light show to go with all the cool things that we watch and play and do.
Love it.
Tell you what, because all the people watching this channel are so cool. Like, not as cool as us, but still pretty cool. If you click on that link in the description below, you're going to be able to get a Neo HDMI sync box for you for $159.99.
$159.99.
Which is very fine. Click on that link, you'll see for yourself. You have some questions about specs, they're right there. It's a pretty cool system, and as you saw, it's easy to set up, easy to program, and it's cool.
Pretty cool.
All right, well, you know what? That just about wraps it up for us cool people here.
Heck yeah. Thank you so much to Neo for sponsoring this video. If you like the LightMe Neo HDMI sync box, please click on that link in the description below to get yourself one.
That's right, and if you like this video, please give it a like.
Please subscribe.
And if you subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop more cool GTC videos.
Heck yeah.
Heck yeah.
Wow.
All right, from one of the coolest places on the planet, if not the coolest, Los Angeles, California. We're gonna say bye for now. Be kind, stay safe.
Have a nice day.
See you next time.